So today we came on the boat. It's the first time on the boat for the summer. Serena. It's Memorial Day weekend, so we're watching the air show from the boat. I got it down. We're watching the air show from the boat. This is our first year watching it from here. There's a lot of boats right now, so we're trying to find a spot where we're gonna go. But we're really excited. It's kind of cold, so we have sweaters on or some type of clothes. But yeah, look at all these boats. It's a lot. We're going to wait for some of the planes to pass by. Right now there's only 2. I think there's usually like 3 or 4 that come out.
Like 4.
4 or 5 maybe. There's a few that come out though. So we're just waiting for them to come out. And how they look crazy too.
Legs are so big.
But yeah. Alright, we'll see you guys in a little.
Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's difficult. Don't worry.
Wait for them to fly past us.
It's really loud when they fly past.
It is really loud.
Look, that boat is called Vitamin C.
Oh my god. So we're slowly getting to the part where we're gonna try and anchor our boat off, but it is packed. Like there's so many boats right now. I'm gonna try to show you guys really quick. Look at all these boats. That's crazy. What are you doing?
Looking at the sun.
Let's see if you can see what it looks like from the phone. Can you guys see the sun?
It's time for
That
no
orange
shaving
speck.
and no more waxing.
And you can see it a little bit.
Laser away. Text rate.
I love you even if it's difficult. Don't worry just because I need to leave. Don't mean I'm sick of us, love you and me. I'm just not good at jokes.
What is it?
I don't know. It looks like a coconut.
I'm not angry anymore.
There's hair on it.
It has to be a coconut. I think we're taking a little lunch break.
Look at it.
Oh my god. Tony's over there. We're taking a little lunch break right now. Made it to where we want to dock off. There's a lot of boats here. Like, a lot. But it's really nice. And we're happy. So yeah.
Upset now. Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't mature. Not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I love the way you look me in the eyes when you take up, I can't apologize, cause you are too afraid to hurt your pride. I guess you were just so misunderstood. You know I'm never truly gone for good. If I could look inside your brain.
There's a power thing for power to what?
Hey everyone. So we just left Zach's Bay. We're going back now. Probably gonna get something to eat with the whole family. And so yeah, gonna get something to eat on the mile, and then maybe go out later tonight. We'll see though. But today was pretty fun with the jet show and everything. I love the Blue Jays. Best thing ever. So, see you guys a little. Just got back. We're putting one of the boats back on the trailer to take it back to the house. So now we're doing the process of that. It's really hot. My legs are red. I don't know if you could tell, but they're like burnt because I didn't put any sunscreen. But yeah. So now we're putting the boat away. So let's see how long this process is gonna take. It's actually doing pretty good though. So that's good. See you guys later. So,
Story time.
no. Okay, so it is Dominican Mother's Day. It's Sunday. My nose is like so burnt. But yesterday we were on the boat. Today we're at a park with all of our family. We're making so much food. I'm having a plate of rice right now. But yeah, we're all like pretty burnt. My back is like really bad. Also, me and my dad built a gazebo
For my
her birthday.
Wait, let's not reveal what we're doing yet. Well, like every video we'll do a little like hint. But right now it's a gazebo, so you know, just think about that.
So it's a gazebo. It's obviously gonna be outdoors because her birthday is June 22nd. So it's technically like a month from now. Yeah. So we'll record later. Bye guys.
Wow,
This is mommy. Mommy said hi. This is Tia. Tia say hey. This is mommy. Say hi. Mommy. Say hola.
Hola.
And this is Serena. Hey, it is day 3 of Memorial Day weekend. We are going to the Memorial Day parade that we have in Freeport. Sabrina and Cassandra are performing it. Sabrina plays the sax, Cassie plays the clarinet. I did it last year, now they're doing it, and now we're gonna go watch. And we're wearing white, blue, and red, and she's wearing red, blue, and sandals. When I told her to wear dunks so she can match. But no. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, look at this fuzzy thing. This is for Sabrina's sax. Look at it. We made it to the parade. Why is it like that? Daddy. Okay. We made it to the parade. We're sitting here. We are waiting for them to start. I think they started because we see the motorcycles that they have in the beginning. Because they have to close down the streets and everything. So they're about to start soon. It's 10:15. So now we're waiting. My hair looks insane because it's windy. Alright guys, we're back in the car. They finished their parade. How'd you guys like it?
I'm so beat right now.
Michael marched with the baseball team.
I marched with acting.
But they did so good. So proud of them.
High school.
Yeah. They did so good. Now we going to the house.
Where's everyone in?
No.
Michael Dawkins!
Okay, so I just realized me and Michael have the same line on our nose. Have the same line on our nose.
The gazebo is perfect for today. I just realized that.
You look like twins. You look like
Daddy.
your little brother, but
I
he's my
just realized
cousin.
the gazebo is perfect for today.
Hey guys, so it is day 3 of Memorial Day weekend. I'm currently at my Theo's house right now. He's just grilling some food and everything outside. I'm here editing some of the stuff for the video. This weekend was pretty fun. I enjoyed it. Memorial Day weekend is always like the best time. It's like the weather's starting to get hot and everything. Everyone's outside. Go on the boat, the beach, the air show. It's just the best. But yeah, so I'm gonna spend time with some of my family today. And I'll definitely record some content for today. My hair looks crazy. But yeah, so we're gonna go outside for a little bit and we'll see what's going on. So I'll see you guys later. Hi guys. So I'm going to end this video today. It was quite a successful weekend. I'm outside on my patio watching the sunset because it's kind of pretty right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys later. Bye guys.